Hi everyone. Today our topic is about unplanned communication. So unplanned communication means consequently a project should be prepared to deal with unexpected situation often under pressure. We call the communication resulting from such crisis is called unplanned communication events. So they include requests for clarification, requests for changes, issue resolution. So, what do you mean by request for clarification? It represents the bulk of the communication among developers, clients, and users. So, participant may request clarification about aspect of system, and it occurred during informal meeting. So, next is request for change. In this, participants report a problem and in some cases proposes solution. So it reports problem to system itself. The next is issue resolution. Here once the problem have been reported and solutions proposed and evaluated, single solution must be selected, communicated and implemented. Decisions need to be documented and communicated to relevant participants. Documentation allows participants to refer back to decision later in the project in case of misunderstanding. And there are different types of communication mechanisms is there. So a communication mechanism refers to a tool or procedure that can be used to transmit and receive information. There are two types of communication, that is synchronous communication and asynchronous communication. In synchronous communication, if they require sender and receiver available at the same time. In asynchronous communication, that sender and receiver are not available at the same time. So another is hallway conversations. In this this unplanned informal exchange of information, it is cheap and effective for resolving simple problems. Disadvantage is small audience and lack of history. Important information can be lost and misunderstanding may occur when content are delayed to other participants. And another is questionnaires and structured interview. It is objective is elicit information from one or more persons. Questionnaires are used for understanding user requirements and priorities. It is used for extracting lessons learned during postmortem review. Can include multiple choice questions. Then clarification of incomplete answers are obtained during structured interview. So disadvantage is it is difficult to design. Then another is meetings. Meetings enable a number of participants to share, review and negotiate issues and solutions. The drawback is cost in resource, difficult to manage. The roles are facilitator, minute taker, timekeeper. So facilitator is responsible for organizing the meeting and guiding its execution. Writes an agenda describing objective and scope of meeting. And minute taker is responsible for recording the meeting, take notes on paper or laptop, organize them after the meeting, and written record of meeting make it easier for participants to share information with members who were not present at the meeting. Then is timekeeper. Timekeeper is responsible for keeping track of time and notifying facilitator if a discussion takes more time than is allocated by the agenda. So the meeting agenda consists of 3 sections. This is header, it is identifying the planned meeting, location, time, participants. A list of items participants will report on, and a list of issues to be discussed and resolved in meeting. Meeting minutes consist of 3 sections. There is a header section. In this header section contains actual meeting location, time and participants. Then information sharing item section contains information that are shared during the meeting. And decision item section contains record of decisions made and not made. This is all about this unplanned communication. I will come with the next video. Till then, bye.